What's the meaning of convene? Convene. Convene.
Convene. Convene.
Convene means to gather or assemble people or things in one place for a specific purpose, such as a meeting, conference, or ceremony. The term is often used in the context of official or formal gatherings, where participants are called together for a specific agenda or objective. The result of convening may vary depending on the nature and purpose of the gathering, but it typically involves exchanging information, making decisions, or reaching consensus on a particular issue or topic. Convening can be an effective way to facilitate communication and collaboration among individuals or groups with shared interests or goals.